I'll never forget the smell of burnt garlic ruining my dinner party. My cheap pan warped on the electric stove, spinning like a top while all the oil pooled on one side. Finding cookware that stays perfectly flat and heats evenly on an electric range feels impossible. I've tested dozens of sets to find out which ones actually work and which ones will ruin your meals. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which set to trust, and our number one pick is a total game changer. 7. Le Creuset. However, I wanted to see how their tri-ply stainless steel line held up, especially since it carries that premium brand name and price tag. Unboxing this set, the pieces certainly look the part, with a highly polished mirror finish and beautifully branded ergonomic handles. The tri-ply construction features an aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel, which is standard for modern premium cookware, but I needed to see how it specifically interacted with the intense, direct heat of an electric range. My initial cooking tests were a mix of basic tasks, starting with sautéing onions and searing simple chicken breasts. The heat distribution was generally acceptable initially, but I quickly noticed that the pans took substantially longer to come up to the right temperature compared to others in this exact same category. On an electric cooktop, where temperature control is already a bit delayed compared to gas, this sluggish responsiveness made it incredibly difficult to dial in the perfect heat for a delicate pan sauce or a quick sear. The pan seemed to fight the electric element rather than work with it, leaving me constantly adjusting the dials. The most frustrating part of testing this set was discovering a distinct vulnerability to heat fluctuations on flat electric glass tops. After just a few weeks of moderate use, the frying pan developed a slight but noticeable warp on the bottom. Because electric ranges require direct, flush contact between the burner and the pan for efficient heat transfer, this tiny warp caused the pan to wobble and spin every time I tried to stir or flip food. The oil constantly pooled to one edge. 6. Hestan NanoBond. The marketing behind this set is incredibly persuasive, boasting thousands of titanium nanolayers that are supposedly indestructible, scratch-resistant, and capable of taking heat up to a blistering 1050 degrees. Taking these out of the box, they look like something out of a sci-fi movie, and the incredibly dense, high-quality build is immediately apparent in your hands. I was incredibly excited to put this molecular titanium technology to the test on my electric range to see if it lived up to the massive hype. The cooking experience was completely overshadowed by the intense learning curve and the aggressive nature of how these pans handle thermal energy. The Hestan NanoBond heats up with astonishing, almost violent speed on an electric burner. While fast heating sounds like a benefit, on an electric stove that cycles on and off to maintain temperature, it resulted in severe hot spots and scorching. When I tried to cook a simple piece of salmon, the skin fused to the pan instantly before I could even adjust the dial down, completely ruining the fillet. It demands a level of constant vigilance that makes everyday cooking feel stressful rather than enjoyable. Another glaring issue that surfaced during my testing was the sheer amount of maintenance required to keep these pans looking even remotely presentable. For a set that costs as much as a used car, you would expect it to look beautiful on your stovetop. But the dark titanium finish acts like a magnet for fingerprints, water spots, and oil smudges. Every time I washed and dried a pan, it looked cloudy and stained unless I spent an extra 10 minutes. 5. Calphalon Premier. If you are someone who prioritizes convenience and easy cleanup above all else, hard anodized aluminum is a fantastic material, and Calphalon has been a leader in this space for a long time. Out of the box, these pans have a satisfying heavy gauge weight to them, and the dark matte exterior looks sleek and professional. I was eager to see how a high-quality nonstick set would handle the specific challenges of an electric cooktop, particularly the dreaded warping issue that plagues cheaper nonstick pans. I immediately put this set through the ultimate nonstick gauntlet, cooking delicate eggs, flaky white fish, and sticky caramelized onions. The performance was absolutely stellar across the board. The 3-layer nonstick coating is incredibly slick, allowing an over-easy egg to glide around the pan with zero butter or oil, and it released a delicate cod fillet without leaving a single flake behind. More importantly, the heat distribution was wonderfully even. The heavy-gauge aluminum core absorbed the heat from the electric coil beautifully, spreading it all the way up the sidewalls so that every piece of food cooked at the exact same rate, eliminating those annoying cold zones around the edges. What truly impressed me during my testing was how completely flush these pans remained on my flat glass electric cooktop. The thick, rigid construction completely prevents the pan from expanding unevenly under the direct heat of the burner. Throughout weeks of testing, including taking the pans from a hot stove directly to the sink, the bases remained perfectly flat. There was no spinning, no wobbling, and no oil pooling to one side. 4. Made in Stainless. Made in operates on a direct-to-consumer model, promising professional-grade restaurant quality at a much more accessible price point than traditional luxury brands. When I unpacked this 5-ply set, the craftsmanship was immediately obvious. The pans have a beautiful brushed finish, rolled rims for easy pouring, and a wonderfully balanced weight that feels substantial without being overly cumbersome. I was incredibly curious to see if this 5-ply construction could truly rival the legacy brands on an electric cooktop. The cooking performance of the made-in set is nothing short of exceptional. The 5-ply build, alternating layers of stainless steel and aluminum, creates a thermal environment that is incredibly responsive. When I placed a thick ribeye steak in the skillet, the pan held onto its heat beautifully, creating a crusty golden brown sear that you usually only get from cast iron. Yet when it was time to turn the electric dial down to simmer a delicate red wine pan sauce, the pan responded almost instantly, dropping its temperature perfectly to prevent the sauce from breaking. One of the biggest advantages of the made-in set on an electric range is the meticulous engineering of the base. These pans are crafted to be perfectly, uniformly flat. When sitting on a smooth glass cooktop, there is zero rocking or sliding. This perfect contact allows the electric burner to transfer energy with maximum efficiency, bringing large pots of water to a rolling boil remarkably fast, and ensuring that your sautés and sears are perfectly uniform across the entire surface of the pan. It takes the guesswork out of cooking on an electric stove. 3. Demeyere Atlantis. This Belgian-made cookware is built like an absolute tank. Pulling these pieces from the packaging, the sheer weight and the brilliance of their proprietary Silvanox finish, which keeps the stainless steel looking silvery and pristine, is breathtaking. Demeyere uses different construction methods depending on the piece. The straight-sided pots feature a heavy copper core base, while the curved pans use a thick 7-ply material. I knew instantly this was going to be a powerhouse on an electric range. Testing the Demeyere Atlantis felt like upgrading to a professional restaurant kitchen. The heat retention is out of this world. When you preheat the skillet on an electric burner and drop in cold ingredients, the pan's temperature barely drops at all. This means you get the most aggressive, perfect browning on meats and vegetables without the food steaming in its own juices. The thick copper core bases on the saucepans are incredible for simmering sensitive ingredients, like dairy or chocolate, providing a gentle, perfectly even heat that completely eliminates the risk of scorching on the bottom, which is a common issue with electric stovetops. What makes Demeyere truly legendary for electric ranges is their specialized base design. They are engineered to slightly curve inward when cold and expand to become perfectly flawlessly flat when heated. This means that at cooking temperatures, the pan is making 100% contact with your flat electric blast top. There is absolutely no warping, no spinning, and no hot spots. It is the most stable, secure, and efficient cooking surface I have ever tested on an electric stove. The transfer of heat is so uniform that you can practically see your food cooking. 2. Cuisinart MultiClad Pro. This set features a fully clad tri-ply construction, meaning an aluminum core is completely encapsulated by stainless steel from the base all the way up the rim. Taking it out of the box, it bears a striking resemblance to sets that cost 3 times as much. The brushed stainless exterior looks fantastic, and the pieces feel solid and durable. I wanted to push this set hard to see if a budget-friendly tri-ply could truly stand up to the rigors of electric range cooking. The results from my cooking tests were overwhelmingly positive. The Cuisinart MultiClad Pro handles daily cooking tasks with absolute grace. Whether I was frying bacon, tossing a stir-fry, or reducing a tomato sauce, the heat distribution was incredibly consistent. The aluminum core does a fantastic job of grabbing the heat from the electric coil and pulling it evenly across the cooking surface. I never experienced the frustrating ring of burnt food that you often get with cheaper disc-bottom pans on electric stoves. The food cooked beautifully and predictably every time I turned the burner on. Crucially, for electric range users, the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro maintains its structural integrity brilliantly. Throughout my rigorous testing, which included high heat searing and rapid temperature changes, the bases of these pots and pans remained completely flat. They sat flush against my glass cooktop, refusing to warp or spin, ensuring maximum heat transfer and stability. This level of durability in a set at this price point is truly remarkable and completely solves the biggest headache associated with cooking on flat electric stoves. The thoughtful design elements of the Cuisinart set elevate it even further. 1. All-Clad D3. This is the set that invented the multi-clad category, and it is proudly manufactured in the United States. Unboxing an all-clad set is an experience. The gleaming, polished stainless steel is flawless, and the iconic riveted handles instantly signal professional quality. It is the gold standard for a reason, and I was incredibly excited to put the D3 through its paces to see why it remains the ultimate choice, specifically for those cooking on an electric range. The magic of the All-Clad D3 lies in its perfect, uncompromising balance. The tri-ply construction, an aluminum core bonded between two layers of premium stainless steel, is engineered to the exact perfect thickness. When placed on an electric burner, the pan heats up rapidly and evenly, but more importantly, it responds to the burner's temperature adjustments with incredible precision. If a sauce starts to bubble too aggressively, turning the electric dial down yields an immediate response in the pan, saving your delicate ingredients from breaking or burning. It offers a level of control that makes you a better, more confident cook. On an electric range, whether you have coils or a smooth glass top, the D3 performs flawlessly. The base is crafted to be impeccably flat, and it stays that way permanently. I have subjected these pans to the most aggressive high heat searing, going straight from a blazing hot stovetop into a 500-degree oven, and they absolutely refuse to warp, bow, or deform. They sit dead flat on the electric burner, maximizing every ounce of heat energy and ensuring that your oils stay evenly distributed across the entire surface of the pan.